Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to tune a Dodge Dart using easy methods. Before any modifications, always check for diagnostic trouble codes to ensure your engine is healthy. Then, confirm all routine maintenance, like oil changes and spark plug replacements, is current. A simple first step is installing a high-flow air filter for improved air intake and a slight performance boost. Next, consider some straightforward performance upgrades. Swapping to performance spark plugs can provide a more robust ignition, leading to better combustion. A catback exhaust system not only enhances the sound, but also improves exhaust gas flow, freeing up a few extra horsepower. Finally, an aftermarket engine control unit tune can optimize fuel and timing for noticeable gains. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding these tuning tips helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And speaking of getting things ready, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for fueling yourself for your next car project. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Beyond engine power, improving your Dart's handling makes a big difference. Upgraded suspension components like lowering springs or sway bars will sharpen its cornering. Lighter wheels reduce unsprung weight, improving both acceleration and braking. For aesthetics, subtle exterior modifications, such as a spoiler or body kit, can give your car a unique, personalized appearance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.